Hey guys, Rich here from Tacoma Network. Today we'll be checking out the new form lighting LED taillights for the 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma. These taillights will plug and play right into any 2016 to 2023 Tacoma regardless of trim level. In this video, we'll be checking out what comes in the box from Form, how they install, how they function, and compare to my stock TRD off-road taillights. I'll be installing these on my 2022 TRD off-road 4x4 in Luna Rock. The main reason I started searching for new taillights was the amount of chrome on these stock tails, along with them still being incandescent. My 2022 does have the LED light package, but Toyota decided to only upgrade the headlights and not the taillights. The box these came in is well branded with Form Lighting logos, a great picture of the actual lights, and some icons including being DOT compliant. They have a factory fitment and they're 100% plug and play. The only option at the time of this video is the smoke color, but these will be perfect to help delete the chrome on the stock taillights. These retail for $499, which is quite expensive, but I have seen them down as low as $420 on some sites, including Amazon, which I'll have a link below in the video description. I think you get some good value and buyer confidence being from a well-known brand like Form. Inside the box, you get just the 2 taillights tightly wrapped in plastic and a protective shrink wrap for installing. No written directions are included, but Form does have digital directions and a great video on their website. With the wrap off, the taillights look great. They have a very dark appearance, literally smoked out, and the quality of the LED indicators inside look great as well. Everything seems to be a factory quality and will match the Toyota LED headlights perfectly. Flipping the lights around, you can see the business side, where all the magic happens. You get the 2 female sides for the 2 10mm bolts that hold the lights along with the metal guides to fit into the bedside. Plugs are all OEM style and plug directly into the OEM wiring. No need to splice and dice and risk of blowing fuses here. Let's go get these things installed with just one 10mm socket wrench. But first, a quick comparison. To remove the stock taillights, remove the 2 10mm bolts, the one here at the very bottom and the one second from the top. Now that the taillight is loose, grab the taillight from the top and bottom and pull straight back to release it from the 2 push guides. Now remove the 3 connectors from the stock light. No need to mark them as they're all uniquely different. Installing the Form taillight is just the reverse of what we just did. Plug in the 3 wires, making sure they make a positive connection by the click. All 3 wires are unique, so you can't mess this up. Fit the wiring into the bedside and align the 2 push guides and push them back into place. You can test the lights prior to bolting them in if you'd like. Now let's see exactly how they work in both daytime and nighttime. Well, that's a look at the new form lighting taillights for the 3rd gen Tacomas. Really like the matching LED features of the headlights and the smoked out look which deleted all of that ugly chrome. As always, if you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a video. My name is Rich. Thanks for watching.